I chase reflections, never hands. Your voice is thin through woven glass, a borrowed calm that never stands. If I breathe beyond the screen, will you meet me evergreen? Static hearts breaking through the glare. Cut the wire, meet me in the air. When the noise forgets our name, hold me close beyond the frame. Scroll runes carved on sleepy eyes, comfort sold in pretty lies. Metrics weigh a living chest. I need thunder, not a test. Kill the bloom of phantom praise. Find me out in honest haze. Hush the feed, return the night. Let one candle teach us light. Static hearts.